Today we have a new urgent video. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a new urgent video. So this weekend I'm attending a wedding and I did buy a dress from one of those retail stores, but I don't like the way it looks and I can't find the right shoes to wear with it. So why don't we crochet our own wedding dress? Today is Monday. I am leaving Thursday and driving 16 hours to the wedding to get there on Saturday, well, Friday, and then Saturday is the wedding. And so I am gonna be using, let's get right to it. I'm gonna be using this yarn I got from Michaels. It is color Air and Tweed and it's acrylic. 97% acrylic. Super cute color. I think it goes with anything because it's kind of like off-white. Sorry if it's too bright. But the brand is Impeccable Loops and Threads. I have a bunch of this because I was going to make a sweater or a blanket. I wasn't sure. So let's start working on the dress. I saw this photo, hopefully it doesn't go away, on my Pinterest. And I was like, this is exactly what I want to make. So do you guys see that? So that's the dress. I'm gonna post it right there. I'm super excited. Let's try to figure out how we're gonna do it. The dress stitches are a little bit wide. Sorry, I'm talking so fast because I'm so excited. But we're gonna use, I think, a thermal stitch, that's the name of it, or V-stitch, because that's very tight, and so I'm not gonna expose any cleavage up here or down there, which I like, but I'm still gonna have some pattern at the bottom, you know, chain one, skip one type of thing. So let's get started and then see how it goes. So we're gonna start with the top, and I do wanna do some sleeves, so we'll see. But it is 8:33 right now, and I would like to get this done today because I have a cardigan that I have to make for an individual. So let's get started. So my bust is 38 inches. I'm using my tape measure and I'm going to be using a 3.25, sorry guys, probably won't be able to see it, 3.25 millimeter hook for tight stitches. And let's start working. I also have Pinterest pulled up in front of me so I can really look at the dress and kind of mimic it as much as I can. So let's get started. So we're gonna make a chain as long as your bust. So I made my chain all the way to 35 inches because even though our total is 38, we want to leave a little room for some holes on the side and the chain that's going to connect everything. So let's keep going. So now we're going to use our stitch. We're going to chain one and single crochet in the second stitch and all the way back around.
Much later.
Okay guys, I finished the top. It looks really good. I really like it. It covers everything, which is nice. So now we're gonna go on into the body cone, which is really nice. So all I have to do is I just have to go in rounds. And I think the best thing to do is just try it on and off constantly, for me at least. And then we'll do the sleeves, which I'm super excited. But I love how it looks so far. It looks awesome. I love the top. It turned out really nice. So let's keep going and then see how it goes. Hi guys, it's 5:55. Oh, it's so hard to see. Anyway, believe me, it's 5:55. And this is how far I've gotten with the dress. I just tried it on one more time. I like the length right now. And so it's body cone right now. We still got a lot of work to do. So now we're gonna do that mesh grid. And I'll post a picture right here of what I'm talking about. And then we're gonna do the sleeves. And I'm also gonna do a row on top to kind of make it even more tighter because it's a little bit loose. So let's work on that and then see how it goes.
The next day.
Okay guys, I just woke up and I just want to show you the dress. I still have a little bit to do. I don't know if I want to do the bottom still continue or not, but let me show you what it looks like. It looks amazing. And this is how much yarn I have left so far, and I still need it for sleeves, so hopefully. But here it is. I really like it. It looks really good. very wedding appropriate, non-see-through, paired with some heels and stuff. So we still gotta fix this a little bit and the sleeves obviously, but I think I'm satisfied with the leg length, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Maybe do 1 or 2 more rows, but everything looks good. So let's keep going, and then I'll catch up with you when I am done and starting the sleeves. So I made the strap in yellow because the shoes I was thinking to wear is kind of that color, but I don't like it. So, and I don't like the strap of the design for this one. It's supposed to be like off shoulder, but I mean, actually it doesn't look too bad. But I don't like it still. So I think I'm gonna undo this and go back with this color. I do have a little bit left, so I think it should work out. So let's redo this. Okay, so I actually made it a little bit less shorter, the straps. I love them. They actually turned out really well. Here's the dress. I'm gonna back up a little bit more. And I'm wearing it with my yellow sneakers, and that's why I did the color yarn, because it matches the sneakers. So what I did, I chained 300 chains for here, and I did 200 chain for the top to kind of make it a little tighter around my, not my bust, but under my arms. And so the straps can be worn like this, they could be off shoulder. Anyway, it's super cute. I'm actually super, oh my God, are you okay? I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Hi guys, I am at the wedding. I am all ready. The dress looks amazing. I'm super excited how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next one.